Hi everyone, I'm Christine, one of the volunteers with the Lost Sock Rescue Society. I've just prepped this kit for adoption to go out as a sample. Here we have our letter with our little logo sticker. It's just a welcome letter signed by Rayon Weaverly herself. And then also in this kit we have one of our little brochures with some information that you can pass on to your friends about the society and what it is that we do. Got a little bonus in here, a little bonus sticker that you can stick on your water bottle or laptop or whatever makes you feel happy. And of course we have a certificate of adoption. And our Jane Doe has adopted our little foot friend, Chip. It comes in their little carrying case. And here we go. Here's Chip, all clean and ready for his new forever foot. With all of his information right there. There you go. That's your adoption kit.